So that's the regulator. I don't know if you can notice, but there it is. That's the oil on the bottom of it. It's not super easy to get to. It's mounted behind this plate, so kind of backwards. There's the line that goes into it, and then there's the feed line that comes into it. Has a strap on it. It's kind of a B, and it's got 2 screws there and 1 on the top, and then 2 screws there and 1 on the top. So the 4 screws hold it in. The 2 screws on the top hold it to the frame. It's really hard to get the camera in there though.